Hello everyone, my name's Peter Ashfield.
And my name's Robin Carey.
And what we're going to talk about in the next few minutes are the 4 Ps.
Now, the 4 Ps, you may have heard of the 4 Ps, the 5 Ps, the 7 Ps. But today, we're going to talk about just the core 4 Ps. So what are they, Peter?
Well, yes, the 4 Ps, product, price, place and promotion. Now these 4 Ps are, on the face of it, just simple words that can have a simple meaning. But actually when you dig deeper, you find there's a lot to this.
So, I guess companies can alter how they approach a certain target market by having a different price, a different promotion, the place, the distribution of it, and also different products. Is that how we...
It is. This is exactly it. And again, it's picking up on the analogy of the cake mix. The marketing mix, the promotional mix. There's lots of mixes in marketing. And all of these mixes, it's about finding the best possible mix to service, to target your market, your desired market. And I suppose what many businesses concentrate on is the product. The product's got to be good, it's got to be a product that's fit for purpose, that satisfies particular needs. And once the product has been understood and it's been researched and developed, then of course it's how they then present that product out to the world. And typically that's how you use the other Ps.
So, I guess that in order to sell the product, you've got to get it to a place. So that would be a marketplace, I guess.
It is the traditional term, if we go back many, many years, that we used to have markets. We didn't have shops, we used to have markets. People used to sell their wares in the market square. And that's where the term the marketplace comes from many, many years ago. And of course, as shops became more prevalent and we had the shopping experience, people would go out to the shops, they'd buy their product. Typically, you'd have specialist shops that would sell the vegetables, you'd have the meat shop, you'd have the cobblers that sorted your shoes out, etc, etc, etc. And over time what's happened is that's all been mixed together, even more mixing going on, so that now we have destination shopping where we'll go to a supermarket where everything's under one roof.
So you need to have your product, but then you need to get it to the marketplace. So the marketplace could be a supermarket, it could be online, I guess.
Indeed, there are many, as it's known within the P place, distribution channels, the ways in which we get product to market. We can have factory stores that are by the side of the factories. We can have distribution channels that distribute products globally into all sorts of supermarkets, department stores, etc. We have online retailers now, very, very popular online retailers that are able to distribute product globally at highly reduced prices because of the nature of the mass of product that they're actually shifting.
I guess that I've got my product and I've got it to the marketplace, but I like the idea of the price because realistically, unless I can afford it, I'm not going to buy it. So I guess pricing forms a key part of what marketers do. So we've got the product, we've got it to the store or to the wholesalers, but how do we actually sell it? We need to set a price. So is that something that we would get involved in?
It is. Marketers are quite savvy with regards to things like market research. So one of the fundamental pieces is to actually do market research around the product or the types of product that could be replaced by your product. What else is out there and how much are consumers paying for that particular product? And what tends to happen is that because price is such a key factor, they'll use wraparounds so that it actually confuses the consumer to a large extent as to what they're getting in terms of their value for money. So as a little example of this, someone like McDonald's doesn't concentrate on price. It used to, but you don't see burgers 99p anymore. Instead what they do is they generate a community feel. They focus on where the food has been made, the fact that it's ethically produced. And then what they do is they talk about the eating experience.
Ah, so that will make me pay more money?
Strictly speaking, yes, without actually knowing that you're paying more money.
But I understand that, but I only tend to buy things when I see them, and unless they're on my phone or they're ads on the internet or on TV or I never know about the product. So I guess that's how it's promoted to me.
It is. Promotion is arguably the deepest and the hardest part of marketing and the marketer's toolkit. The ability to get messages over to the right target market in the right way at the right time so they can buy the product. And marketers realise that it's not just about people buying product, because many people are not ready to buy product yet. So their promotion is about building awareness.
Thank you very much. So today we've talked about the 4 Ps, which are product, place, price and promotion. See you next time.